So what about streaming? How do I use this for streaming? So with OBS, it's another fairly simple thing to do. So as you see, I have OBS open right here. I'm going to add a source. So I'm going to add my mic first. So I'm going to do audio input capture. On my device list, I'm going to select Voicemeeter output. Because again, remember that's where we're sending the virtual input, the mic, to the virtual output right here. So as you see right here, there's the mic, I'm tapping it. So we're getting levels for the mic. So what about the rest of the volume, like the system and game and other volume and everything else? We'll add output capture. So output capture, and then we'll select Voicemeeter input. And there you go. So like if I do this, there we go. So I'm changing the Windows volume, and you'll see right there that it's going through audio output capture. So then you can mix it however you want. You know, it's going through the output capture is going through this right here. So if you I forgot what I was going to say right there, so that's okay. Check out the next video that releases. Thanks.